Nitya Shakti, इंसानियत की शक्ति, and Shakti Mohan. So, how much energy do you have? You're such an incredible woman. Your Instagram page was like a revelation. There was a dancer, choreographer, a singer, a world traveler, a woman who loves her passport more than anything. And then you've gone to school at Pilani. You're a girl from Rohini, Delhi, and you rule Bombay. ये क्या कहानी है आपकी?
सिंगर छोड़ के बाकी सब करेक्ट था। जस्ट वांट टू करेक्ट कि बाद में प्रेशर बन जाएगी, गाना गा के सुनाओ।
नहीं, गाना तो है आपको।
नहीं,
हेलो, पोएट है आप और गाना नहीं
पोएट
गाएंगे तो
कहाँ
क्या?
से पोएट? डांस इज माय पोएट्री।
Dance is a poetry. So, growing up in Rohini, going to Pilani in Rajasthan as a 7-year-old,
Yeah.
you also had a leg injury or an issue that you were worried you may not be able to dance in your life. How did you overcome this? How did you live alone? How did you deal with boarding school and become this incredible woman?
Colorful clown today. so so I was very inspired by my sister, my elder sister, Neeti
Neeti?
Didi.
Oh, yeah.
नीति दीदी एंड शी वाज द वन जो उनको डांस म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद था और मैं और मुक्ति जो मेरी छोटी बहन है हम दोनों उनको हमेशा पूरे टाइम देखते रहते थे झांक झांक के शी यूज्ड टू शट द डोर एंड देन डांस करती रहती थी एंड शी हैड ऑल दीज इनक्रेडिबल म्यूजिक जबकि तमिल म्यूजिक लिसनिंग इन दिल्ली वाज स्ट्रेंज बैक देन 20 years बैक तो हम लोग को लगता है वाओ व्हाट इज दिस फैसिनेशन शी हैज विद रहमान सर's म्यूजिक एंड वो गाने सुनती डांस करती थी तो वो देख देख के व्हाटएवर दीदी वुड डू वी वुड स्टार्ट डूइंग तो हमने एक बेड हमारा था हम त्रिनगर में रहते थे अशोक विहार के पास
Yeah, yeah,
दिल्ली
yeah,
में
yeah.
तो वहाँ पे एक हम हमारा जो बेड था उसके सामने हमने बड़ा सा मिरर लगाया था वो हमारा स्टेज बन चुका था हम
Oh,
वो
my.
बेड पे चढ़ के पूरे टाइम मिरर में देख के डांस करते रहते थे एंड वो एक पार्ट था बेड का होता नहीं नीचे से ऐसे खोलते हैं वो टूट चुका था कूद कूद के सो आवर फादर कुड नॉट फिगर आउट व्हाई दीज गर्ल्स आर ऑलवेज डांसिंग so that's how it all started. I think all of us were complimenting each other all the time, learning choreographies from each other, watching TV. And वहाँ से फिर दीदी went to boarding school.
So she was the first to go to
She was the
Pilani
first one to go to Pilani because she was getting eve teased a lot
in Delhi.
in
Yes.
Delhi. And हम लोग बहुत छोटे थे उस टाइम. I was maybe 5 years old or something. हमें समझ ही नहीं आया कि दीदी को बोर्डिंग स्कूल क्यों भेजा है. बट देन अगेन शी इज डूइंग दिस मुझे भी वो करना है तो वो करते करते मैं भी वहाँ पहुँच गया. आई वाज जस्ट 7 years old. I had no clue what I am subscribing for. When I reached there and I said bye to my mom and dad are crying कि how they are leaving this little girl alone. मैं रात को जब सोने गई बेड पे तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ what I have done. That I don't have my mom to sleep with and I started crying and then after that like couple of years later I was okay that I could live on my own otherwise I was just crying in the hostel.
Was there some word or a message that you wanted to hear from them?
Actually, so Mukti was born, the younger one, within 2 years. So I felt like my mom is, why is she giving importance to this new baby? So I used to sleep between my mom's legs so that I feel like she's not ignoring me. So when I used to write her letters from school when I was 7 years old, I didn't even know how to write. So Didi used to help me. So how do I say this? I think Dilli walo ko samajh mein aayega. My Masi used to call me Chichad. Do you know
Chichad.
Chichad? Chichad is a kida which doesn't leave you.
Oh,
So I was that chichad kida to my mom. I would never leave her. Like even if she's going to the bathroom, I'm like, no, no, I used to cry. So nobody could believe that I'm actually leaving my family and going
go
to
away.
live alone in a boarding school. So yeah, then my sister when she wrote the letter from school कि आपकी टांग के बीच में सोने वाली चीचड़. I still have that letter in Hindi. And yeah, I remember sleeping in between my mom's legs so she doesn't give importance to the new child.
And was the new child, once you got to know the child, your youngest sister Mukti, how was your relationship with Mukti?
Enemy. Immediate enemy. She took my spot. My spotlight went away very quickly. I suddenly became big because she came in the picture and I had to, take care of her. So, yeah, on my way to your shoot, I was speaking to her for half an hour.
Very close now.
Yeah, like tight.
And
like
she's an
twins.
actress, isn't she? She's an actor.
She's an actor and also a dancer. We both grew up dancing. We trained in Bharatnatyam. Then we trained in contemporary and all these other styles.
And your elder sister Neeti, अब वो गाती dance नहीं करती, but she's a singer.
She is
Very
a triple threat. She can dance, act, sing, everything, but she chose singing.
So how can one family have so much talent? Where did your parents get their water? कहाँ का किस कुएं का पानी पिया उन्होंने?
एक्चुअली पापा तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट थे और मम्मी मतलब आई थिंक ऑल दे डिड वाज जस्ट अलाउड अस टू डू व्हाट वी वांटेड टू डू. They didn't really learn or had any sort of inclination. माय डैड लाइक्स टू राइट, ही हैज़ रिटन लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, पर उन्होंने कभी मना नहीं किया।